This is a cool garage elevator that Alex tells me about.
Oh, you'll see. You'll see.
And there's Burbank. We're near the Hollywood airport.
Also note the innovation lanterns with the GAL Jet Plus fixtures.
Yeah.
That's a sky.
It is. It's a beautiful sky. Our open sesame. There we go. Oh, it's glass. Holy cow, man. This is a nice elevator.
Yes, it is.
Man, y'all have some cool mall elevators in the LA area.
Right?
Yeah. I'm guessing you took Gloose on this elevator when he came.
We only went to Santa Monica.
Oh, okay. That looks like a nice mall.
Oh, it's a nice mall. 100 times better before the renovation. But it's still nice.
I have a feeling it has a big city mall smell. I'll let you know if it does.
I'm just trying not to spoil anything. I want to tell you stuff, but I just want you to see experience it.
Cone. I've never seen a cone with Jet Plus.
You also notice how it says incorporated on it?
What floor is Sears on?
How about you stop the it's on the other side of the mall.
Oh, well, we can go in through bed. I'll just stop here. I'll get the way back up and edit it.
Yeah. Or is this Sears?
That's Sears, I think. Well, we can go back up to 2. Sears.
No, we'll do that in the mall, okay?
Okay. All right, and that's it.
No.
Yep, that's the window of the elevator that Alex loves.
I do like this elevator.
It is a nice elevator, I agree. Is this the only glass elevator in the garage?
Yeah. The mall used to have a glass elevator, but you know.
Yeah.
Apparently glass elevators aren't in style, and I just couldn't disagree anymore.
Well, they're a thing of the past. That's the thing.
Okay.
Hi.
That was cool sound.
Oh, I just remembered something, but we'll have to do it next time. I'll tell you after.
God, what's going on up here now?